The question say, write down the structural formula and condensed structural formula for the following compound. And you have 5-ethyl, 3-methyl hept, 1-in. Now, when you write the structural formula from name, the first thing you have to do is to find out how many carbons you have. That is step number 1. That is hept. It means you have 7 carbons in the main chain. So I'm going to draw or represent 7 carbons in a straight line. Okay? So I'm coming here and I write 7. 1, 2, not bonds. I'm not going to write bonds because that is less. I'm going to just base the carbons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay? Now, the next step is to go and look for the functional group. Now, because I wrote 7, because why must I struggle? I'm going to strike from left to right, like you write in your book. So carbon number 1 will be this one, and this one will be carbon number 7. Do you understand? It's easier for me because I write in that direction. So I'm going to take off those numbers mustn't be there. And the double bond, it is in, this is an alkene. Alkene, it has a double bond in the first carbon. So I'm going to place here the double bond there. Then I'm going to start placing now the substituents. All of them, they have numbers. So I'm going to the numbers. In carbon number 3, I have a methyl. So if I start from left, 1, 2, 3, here I would have a methyl. So I'm going to draw in structural formula the methyl. H, H, and H. And then I have in carbon number 5 an ethyl. So I'm going all the way 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 is here. You can do it either down or up. It doesn't really matter. I'm going to do it down, but you can do it up if you want, okay? This one is ethyl. You need to learn, obviously, the structural formula of the different alkyl groups and so on. Is there any more substituents? There's nothing else. So what is left for me to complete all the bonds for carbons and hydrogens? You have to make sure every carbon has 4 bonds. So the first carbon here will have 2 with 1 carbon, and then I need 2 hydrogens. 2, 3, and 4. And that is a little bit out of place there. 3 and 4. You don't have to do it like this. You can do it straight. 1 on the left and 1 on top. It's fine. You'll get the marks. The second carbon has 1, 2 with the first carbon, 3, and I need another 1. I'm going to do it below, but it doesn't really matter. I do it below because I don't want it to be disturbing with that hydrogen on top. You see? So you count 1, 2, 3, 4. The third carbon have 1, 2, 3, and then I need another 1. Do it slow. Don't be in a hurry. Then 1, 2, 3, and 4. The other one is 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then we are almost done. There is 1, 2, and 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now every carbon has 4 bonds. That one is the structural formula of that specific compound. Now they want also the condensed structural formula. Okay? So for example, let's represent maybe the double bond. You don't even have to if you don't want to. Okay? You know what? Let's not represent it. Let's leave it condensed, completely condensed. So it's CH2, CH. I'm not going to represent any bond. Then it's coming CH with a substituent. How do you do that? In a bracket. So inside a bracket I have CH3, then it's coming CH2, then it's coming CH with another substituent which is an ethyl, bracket, no H, starting with C, CH2, CH3. Okay. So there we go, and then is what is coming after the substituent. We have CH2, CH3. And that's it.